Welcome back to the Solidworks channel. Today, we're going to start Lesson 2. Folding rectangular tubing. Let's get started. Create a sketch on the front plane. Draw two straight segments, one segment horizontal. Add dimension. Make weldments. Select the Weldments tab. The standard is ISO. Type is rectangular tube. Size is 50 x 30 x 2.6. Repair the gap from 0 to 0.5 mm. This gap is mandatory so that the combine will not fail. Modify the local profile. Outward point. Resize the rectangular tube size. Edit sketch. The size is 30 x 60 x 1.2. R equals 3 mm. OK. The next step, make a sheet metal. Select Sheet Metal tab. Select Sketch. Base flange. Sheet metal thickness weldments. T equals 1.2 mm. R equals 1.2 mm. Direction 1. Select up to vertex. Same with direction 2. Choose the second point here. Repair of steel plate with box steel. Reverse the thickness direction. OK. Three body, 2 weldments, and 1 sheet metal. I'll change transparency, the weldments. The weldments extends into the sheet metal bend area. Cut off the weldments, residue. Create an extruded cut command on the front plane. Create a section at the front for easy viewing. Draw a circle. Select Extruded Cut. Direction, through all both. Select 2 weldments bodies. The sheet metal bend is now clear, so when you combine together, it won't be faulty. Next step, combine 3 bodies. Select Insert Future. Combine. Combine 3 body. The details have been completed. Sheet metal tab selection, flatten. The rectangular and square tubi are pretty similar. But it's a little different. Rectangle tube has 1 long side and 1 short side. This fold is on the long side. But if you want to change how to fold it to the short side, resize the rectangular tube size. We're going to switch back these 2 dimensions. Resize the short size to long size. And the long size becomes the short size. We can fold the rectangular tube in the short side. We can completely change the dimensions easily. Resize horizontal edge size will be 300. The angle is 120 degrees. We've completed a new part. Flatten. Save file. The name is Part 2. Also save the step file. Open TubeKit software. Add from file. Select the saved step file. Open. Simulation of cutting. The simulation is complete. Export CNC files. Nesting on 3 meters long tube. Adjust the number to 2. Tube nesting file. Export the CNC file. Today's lesson is over. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye and see you.